Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject maths. Lesson 6. Measuring length. Topic: School Health Program Measuring Ourselves. Hello, dear students. Today we are going to look at an exciting part of the school health program where we learn to measure things like our height, weight, and more. Look at the picture. What are students measuring? Let's look closely at the picture shown. The students are standing straight, one by one, and something is placed on their heads. What could they be checking? Tick what they are measuring. 1. Length. 2. Height. 3. Weight. 4. Depth. 5. Breadth. 6. Temperature. What is being used to measure height? They are using a height scale or a measuring tape fixed to the wall. Other tools we can use to measure height are measuring tape, a stadiometer, a tool used in hospitals, even a simple meter scale placed straight on the wall. Next topic, measuring is fun. We are going to have fun with measurement using ropes and some smart thinking. Do you remember we made ropes of different lengths? Let's make measuring ropes. Take a string or ribbon and cut 1 meter rope, half meter rope, 1 upon 2 meter, quarter meter rope, 1 upon 4 meter. Math with ropes, easy and fun. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 2 meter plus 1 upon 2 meter. If you join two half-meter ropes, it becomes 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 4 meter plus 1 upon 4 meter plus 1 upon 4 meter plus 1 upon 4 meter. If you join 4 quarter-meter ropes, it becomes 1 meter. 1 upon 2 meter is equal to 1 upon 4 meter plus 1 upon 4 meter. So 2 quarters make a half. Next example, 1 upon 2 meter long. You can now measure things like your school bag strap or your water bottle height. Example, 1 upon 4 meter long. You can now measure small things like a notebook, a toy, or even your pencil box. Next topic, walk, jump, and crawl on 1, 5, and 10 meter lines. Let's play a fun game with lines. We will draw 3 lines on the ground, one that is 1 meter, one that is 5 meters, and one that is 10 meters long. Use a measuring tape or 1 meter stick to draw these lines in the classroom or playground. Now, walk from one end to the other. How many steps did it take?
Next, try jumping like a kangaroo. Then try crawling like a baby. Was jumping faster than walking? What about crawling? Let's find out.
Next topic, measuring small things. Have you ever measured something tiny, like a grain of rice or an ant? Big rulers can't help much, so we use centimeters, cm. 1 meter has 100 centimeters. That means each tiny mark on the scale is 1 centimeter. Let's try this together. Length of an eraser? What about a rajma seed? Is a grain of wheat smaller than 1 centimeter? Let's measure and find out. Next topic, meter and centimeters. Ramu is 120 centimeters tall, and Shamu says he is 1 meter 20 centimeters tall. Wait a minute, are they the same? Yes, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, 1 meter 20 centimeters is equal to 100 plus 20 equals 120 centimeter. Let's practice. 2 meters equals 200 centimeters. 4 meters is equal to 400 centimeter. Now it's your turn. Next topic, fencing and lacing, perimeter. Bhola is building a brick fence around his vegetable garden. He wants to know how many bricks he'll need to go all around the edge. The length all around a shape is called the perimeter. We can count the bricks along each side and add them up. Let's say the garden is 5 bricks long and 4 bricks wide. Then the perimeter is 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 equals 18 bricks. Thanks for watching.